Right, it's time to make some dough. What I like to use is PizzApp. It's a free app you can get from, I guess, the Apple Store or whatever Google Store. And it's really simple. I basically put in that I want to make 8 dough balls and I want them to be 250 grams each. My hydration, I always prefer 65%. It gives me a nice fluffy crust, but still quite manageable. Salt 3%. I'll be proving it for 14 hours and I can actually set what the room temperature is. I've got it in at 20 degrees. And the different yeast type, I'll be using Babadoh yeast, which is an active dry yeast. So I now have my recipe to make 2 kilograms of dough. I'll need 1,190 grams of flour, 773 grams of water, 36 grams of salt, and we need about 0.99 grams of yeast, which is why I'd recommend investing in some super accurate scales.